Welcome student. Lesson number 6. Factorization of algebraic expression. Practice set 6.1 part 1. Okay. Yes student. Purposely I omitted first sum. I am started from second question because first is very easy and you just say like that only second only. That's why I am explaining you second question. X square minus 10x plus 9. Here listen student. Listen student, here what you have to do, you have to factorize the last term 9. If there is a number here in the first term, then you have to multiply that number with the last term. But here there is no number, means there is a 1 is there only, means you have to factorize 9. But how to factorize 9? This is very important student. How to factorize 9? Here the middle term is 10. Middle term is 10 minus 10 means when you doing the factors, your addition must be 10 of that factor. Listen carefully. You have to factorize the last term and your last term is 9, means you have to factorize 9 such that the addition of that factor will be minus 10 only. Like this you have to do. Just to see here, means here I am doing the factor of 9. 9 comes 3 3s are 9 also. 3 into 3 is also 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9 and 3 into 3 is also 9. But if you add 3 plus 3 you are not getting 10. Means this factor is not useful for you. Means cross that factor. Okay student. Now see the factor, second factor, it is 9 ones are 9. If you add 9 plus 1 you will get the 10. You are getting 10 means this factor is useful for us. Okay. Now factor of 9 is 9 1. But here minus 10 you want, if means you have to give the sum, you have to give the sign minus 9 minus 1. Okay, means both the sign must be same, because if you give addition here it will be minus 8, means this is not again useful for you. Means here compulsory you have to take both the number sign is minus. That's why I wrote here minus 9x minus 1x. Some students are not writing this x because it's wrong. Compulsory you have to write that x. Okay. Now from these first two terms and last two terms you have to take common. Here you are taking x common, means if you take x into x, means you are taking this x as a common, means only one x is remaining. Here x minus 9, because if you distribute this term you will get the x square, and if you distribute this term you will get the 9x. Same numbers you are getting. Again see that here there is no number is common. If there is no number is common you have to take 1. Again x minus 9. Why I have put here minus 9? Because if you solve this bracket, if you take plus here, if suppose if you take x plus 9, if you solve this bracket it will be minus, but here plus 9 is there, means compulsory you have to take there 9 minus 9, because when you solving that bracket you are getting the plus. See x, you are getting x minus minus plus, and 9 ones are 9, means here two terms are same, x minus 9 x minus 1. Okay, this is all about your this first sum. Now we will see the second sum. Third sum, y square plus 24y plus 144. If there is a plus sign then there is no tension at all, because in both the terms you are getting the plus sign. 144 factor you have to find out. The factor of 144 is what? 12 into 12. Wait. 12 into 12 means here 12y plus 12y plus 12y. Again you have to take common from these two terms. It will be y plus 12. Here also you have to take common 12. then you are, when you getting the common 12, again you are getting the same bracket y plus 12. Here y plus 12, y plus 12, here you have to write, and here remaining terms you have to write in the second term. Okay, means your factor is a y plus 12 and y plus 12. Third, fourth sum, 5y square plus 5y minus 10. If you observe here, you have to take the common 5 as a common. If you take 5 as a common, then y square plus y minus 2. And yeah, again you have to find out a factor of 2. 2 ones are 2. Here the sign is what? Plus y. Plus 1 means when you add these terms, factors, you must get the plus 1, means 2 into minus 1. Because if you take minus 1 and plus 1, you will get the 1, but you will get the minus 1. And here you want a plus 1. That's why you have to take plus 2 minus 1. Now from these two terms you have to take common y plus 2. Here again there is no common number, means minus 1. Y plus 2 will be common and y minus 1 is common, means this is your answer. Okay student. Fifth sum, p square minus 2p minus 35. Again you have to factor 35 such that your addition is plus minus 2. Your addition is minus 2, means 7 5s are 35. Again bigger number sign is minus, because here you want minus 2p. Okay, minus 5p plus 5p. Again you have to take p common, p minus 7 plus 5 common, p minus 7. Again you are getting the same term, same bracket common, p minus 7 and p plus 5. Here you are getting the answer p minus 7 and p plus 5. Now here 44, again you have to factorize this term. 44 you have to factorize, and factor of 44, 11 4s are 44. 11 4s are 40 means your addition is minus 7, means minus 11 plus 4. If you add it, then you will get the minus 7. You have to see the sign, because sign is very important student. You have to see the bigger number sign, because here you have to write minus 7. Okay, now here you have to take p common, p minus 11. Here you have to take 4 common, p minus 11, because it is a 44. If you do 44 11 multiplied by 4, then you are getting the 44. P minus 11 is you are getting common, p plus 4 in the second bracket. Okay, next. Thank you students for watching my video. You have to subscribe and share this video to your maximum number of friends. Thank you.